Turning now to an IT-made investigation, we've obtained a scathing report on how the city has handled the surge in violent crime. My teammate's Richard Essex has the details.
The city of Indianapolis hired the National Institute for Criminal Justice Reform to prepare this 24-page report. The report was completed last May, and it details the painful shortcomings of the city's attempts to reduce gun violence. The number one criticism in this report: the lack of clarity on what is driving most of the gun violence in Indianapolis. The report was prepared for the Indianapolis Office of Public Health and Safety Community Crime Reduction Team. Matt Giffen is the interim director of that department. He says the city expected some criticism that would sting.
But I think it's fair to say that is kind of the million-dollar question, and we know some things about it. We know that it is driven disproportionately by a small number of high-risk individuals.
Giffen says the report is a starting point. The city has spent $125,000 for the National Institute of Criminal Justice Reform to detail the crime problems here in the city. They interviewed dozens of people inside and out of city government for this report and found that IMPD, the resources the department does have, are significant and have the potential to be incredibly effective with much greater communication, collaboration, and focus. Rosie Bryan is the lead organizer for Faith in Indiana. Her organization was instrumental in getting the city to partner with the National Institute of Criminal Justice Reform. Bryan says the city is already taking action towards gun violence.
So when the report came out, we were really excited about the changes that the city we're going to make.
The report calls for the creation of a new office to facilitate communication amongst the police and other public safety departments. It also calls for more money going to crime prevention programs. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.